Hello and welcome to our video on our picks for the best credit cards for 2023. Making the best choice might be challenging because there are so many options available. That's why we've done the research for you and rounded up the top credit cards for this year. In this video, we'll be covering the best credit card for cashback rewards, the best credit card for balance transfers, the best credit card for beginners, the best credit card for business owners, and the best credit card for travelers. Cashback Rewards Credit Card. Let's start with the best credit card for earning cashback rewards. This year, our pick is the Citi Custom Cash Card. With this card you will get 5% cash back on your top eligible spend category up to $500 spent each billing cycle. Then 1% on all other purchases. Additionally, you can also earn $200 cash back after spending $1,500 on purchases in the first 6 months of account opening. Also, it offers a 0% intro APR for 15 months from account opening on purchases and balance transfers, making it a great all-around choice. If you're someone who wants to maximize your rewards, this card is definitely worth considering. Balance Transfer Credit Card. Next, let's talk about the best credit card for balance transfers. If you're looking to pay off high-interest debt, the Bank Americard is the way to go. With a 0% intro APR for your first 21 billing cycles for purchases, and for any balance transfers made within the first 60 days of opening your account. This card can help you have hundreds or even thousands of dollars in interest payments. With no annual fee, it's one of the best for the longest 0% duration for transfers and purchases. This can allow you to pay off your debt faster and reduce the amount of interest you're paying. Additionally, by transferring your debt to a card with a lower interest rate, you can reduce the amount of money you're paying each month, freeing up more cash for other expenses or saving. Credit Card for Beginners. Now, let's move on to the best credit card for beginners. If you're a beginner or a student looking to build credit, the Discover It is a great choice. This card can help you establish a strong credit history while also earning 5% cash back rewards on everyday purchases at different places each quarter like Amazon.com, grocery stores, restaurants, and gas stations, up to the quarterly maximum when you activate. It's also important to note that with Cashback Match, you can get an unlimited dollar-for-dollar match of all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year, automatically. This card is perfect for students who want to build credit and get a head start on their financial future. Credit Card for New Business Owner. Let's take a look at the best credit card for business owners. If you own a small business, the American Express Blue Business Cash is an excellent option. With 0% introductory APR on purchases for 12 months from the date of account opening. This card can help you elevate your business by providing a line of credit to cover expenses, enabling you to make purchases and manage cash flow without using personal funds. It also offers rewards and benefits, such as 2% cashback on your first $50,000 of purchases each calendar year. Additionally, using Amex Blue Cash for business expenses can help separate your business payments from personal credit, which may be useful for securing loans or investments in the future. This card is great for small business owners who want to maximize their cashback rewards and manage their finances efficiently. Credit Card for Travelers. Finally, let's discuss the best credit card for travelers. If you're someone who loves to travel, the American Express Platinum Card is the perfect choice. Amex Platinum Card offers a range of travel benefits, such as airport lounge access, hotel upgrades, and travel credits. This card offers 5 rewards points for every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for travel, shopping, dining, and more options such as gift cards, statement credits, online shopping and charity donations. Travelers love the Amex Platinum Card's concierge service for its personalized assistance and 24/7 availability. The service offers help with everything from travel arrangements to restaurant reservations, providing a high level of convenience for cardholders. In addition to the concierge service, the Amex Platinum Card offers a range of premium perks, such as access to exclusive events, experiences, and a global dining program. These perks provide cardholders with unique opportunities to enhance their travels and experiences. Overall, the Amex Platinum Card is a highly valued travel companion for its extensive range of travel benefits, rewards, elite status, and premium perks. There you have it. These are our picks for the best credit cards for 2023. Of course, everyone's financial situation is different, so be sure to do your own research and compare the different options before making a decision. It's important to find a card that fits your needs and helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to hit the like button, share our video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thank you for watching.